Serena. She is alone here. So, langoy pa, langoy. Sige, enjoy ka maglangoy. Sige. Sige.
Tatalon ako dito!
She's excited. So this is only the first time that she experienced going here in the swimming pool. She spent more time. She's taken advantage to get in the swimming pool. She's now growing. Oh, come on. Swim now, swim. Ara ka man, palutang ka. Float, palutang. Sige. I think she needs to have basic swimming skill training.